this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. First thing you got to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee credits. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the wallet icon or assets. From there, it's going to bring you to an overview of all of the assets you have in your account. We're going to tap on send right here in the middle. I'm going to select on-chain withdrawal. Next, we're going to look for USDT out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on USDT. Now we got to fill out this information. And for that, we're going to open up and log into our Phantom Wallet. Once you're logged into your Phantom Wallet, we're going to look for and tap on this receive icon right here. Next, we're going to select our Solana address. Now this is your Solana address on the Phantom Wallet. We're going to go right down here, tap on these two squares to copy it. Go back into your Binance account and right here where it says address, we're going to paste in the address we just copied from Phantom Wallet. And it should automatically select the network, which is the Solana network. If it doesn't automatically select the network, you can just tap on this arrow next to it and select Solana out of the choose networks. Now just enter the amount of USDT you want to send into your Phantom Wallet, with the minimum amount being 50. And down here, you'll see you'll receive 49 USDT and the network fee will be 1 USDT. After you've confirmed everything is all right, you're just going to go right over here and tap on withdraw, confirm the transaction, and that's how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.